One building, one night. Nearly 1,000 birds hit the same wall in Chicago. Before dawn on October 5, 2023, at McCormick Place's Lakeside Center, low clouds met bright interior lights. By 7 a.m., volunteers and Field Museum staff had counted 960-plus songbirds from 33 species on the sidewalks. Cornell's BirdCast showed millions crossing Cook County between 12 a.m. and 5 a.m. Birds steer by starlight. Glare pulls them into glass and mirror-like reflections. At 6:30 a.m., a custodian stepped out. The concrete looked like confetti. Warblers and thrushes, still warm. Can't go dark? Close blinds, switch to warm bulbs, and aim lights down. Tiny experiment. Tonight, 11 p.m. to 2 a.m., darken one window and check BirdCast. See fewer insects at the glass. Small choices save flocks. What light can you turn off tonight?